Hello everyone. In this video we'll solve past paper questions on algebra including expansion, factorization, solution of equations, simplification and sometimes subject to the formula also. Let's see how these topics appear in O levels and IGCSE exams. It's paper 1 question which is non-calculator. So grab your notebook and follow along. So let's begin. So there are mixed questions. So question number 1 is factorized completely. You can see it's a difference of two perfect squares, which is equals to, this is square of 2x and it is square of 5y. And a minus sign is in the middle. So it will become 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. So the answer is 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. Alright. So the next question, there are 4 terms, so we'll solve by the grouping this question. So in these two first terms, we are having 5a common equals to 5a and then x minus a left, and then the minus sign is there in between. So what is common? Only 2 common, and then again x minus a. Because a minus sign behind the bracket, so inner signs will change. So the answer will become x minus a and 5a minus 2. X minus a and 5a minus 2. The next question is again factorize the following. I've already explained you what type of questions you can how will you solve in factorization questions. Alright, so this is 3x square minus 12x. First of all, always you check, is there anything common in all? Yes, the common is here, 3x is common. So x minus 4 left, and we cannot do anything further. So just write down 3x and x minus 4. Alright, the next question is x square minus xy minus 2y square. So you can do by breaking middle term, right? So this is 2 ones are 2 and then 2 ones are 2 because we have to see the difference in the middle. Alright, so this is x square minus 2xy plus xy minus 2y square, and then you will take out common x and common in these two, then it is x minus 2y left and plus y common and x minus 2y. So you got the same brackets, x minus 2y and x plus y left. Okay, so this is x minus 2y and x plus y. The next question is of simplification. You cannot, the main mistake students, what do? They just start cancelling like this, which is common. If the brackets are there and the numbers are multiplying, then you can cancel, but if plus and minus sign is in the middle, you cannot cancel. You need to factorize it first. So taking common equals to x into x plus 4 in the numerator, and denominator you can have the identity or the third identity, which is the difference of two perfect square. So this is x square minus 4 square means x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now you can cancel the whole bracket. So what is left? X upon x minus 4. Never cancel x there because minus 4 is there in between. As I have told you, you cannot cancel if in any term plus and minus sign is written, so you cannot cancel like this. So we are coming to question number 3. In question number 3, remove the brackets and simplify. Obviously, it's a question of expansion. So what do? You have 4 times 7x minus 3 and minus 3 times 5x minus 4. I didn't do anything. I just copied down the question. Okay, 4 7s are 28, 28x, and 3 4s are 12, minus 12. Now it's minus sign, that's why inner signs will change. So 3 times 5 is 15x plus 3 4s are 12. So if anything is cancelling, we'll cancel it. So 12 and minus 12 will cancel. Only 28x minus 15x left. So in this case, what do? So you just subtract it. Okay, 28 and 15, the difference is of 13 number, but positive sign because 28 is a greater digit. So that's why. Okay, 12 and 12 cancelled. Now the next question, number part B of the same question. Alright, so remember, like in numbers also, whenever you're having the fractions there, then you will take LCM. Alright, so the LCM of 3y and 4y is 12y. Alright, so I'm just doing it here, 12y. It means you are multiplying this by 3 and this by 4. Remember, otherwise y is there in the both of them. If okay, I'll explain to you in detail. Now look in front. 4 upon 3y and minus 5 upon 4y. Okay, y is there, but we have to make it 12. 3 times 4 is 12, so multiply by 4, and 4 times 3 is 12, so multiply by 3. So that will become 16 upon 12y and 15 upon 12y. So this is 16 upon 12y and 15 upon 12y. Then 16 minus 15, which is 1. So equals to 1 upon 12y. We cannot do more. So this is your answer in this question, which is 1 upon 12y. The next is also expansion. 4a square b into 3ab cube. Numbers to numbers multiply and the variables to like a with a, but the powers will add because it's of multiplication question. If the same base is there, we add the power in multiplication. All right, so 3 times 4 is 12. A 2 is there and a 1 is there, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and b 1 is there and b cube is there, so b power 4. So 12 a cube b 4 is the answer for this question. Question number 4, factorize completely 16a minus 6a. So 16a minus 6a, obviously 2a is common because 16 and 6 together in the 2 times table, the highest table, and then 2 times 8 is 16. One of the 8 will remain inside because one of the a is outside, and 6a is written, so we just write down 3 because a it's already outside and we cannot do more, so write down 2a times 8a minus 3. Now obviously the next question for b part, this we'll do by grouping. 6x plus 3xy. In these two we will have the 3x common, and then 3 times 2 is 6 and 2 plus, and y is left only because 3x we kept outside. So minus 4y minus 8, obviously minus 4 is left, and y plus 2, 4 2s are 8. Okay, y plus 2 and 2 plus y means the same thing. So you just write down 2 plus y and 3x minus 4 in this question. So 2 plus y and 3x minus 4. Very easy question. Now question number 5, difference of 2 perfect square. 4t square minus 9 means 4t is the square of 2t. So this is 2t, and 9 is the square of 3. So plus 3 and 2t minus 3. You can also, if you want to add one more step, so you can write down 2t square minus 3 square. So that is the third identity, 2t plus 3 and 2t minus 3. The next part, this is again factorization, breaking middle term. 2 3s is 6. So it's a minus thing, minus multiplication, product is negative. Look at the difference in the middle. All right, so for this question we are going to do it. So here we'll do the difference in the middle. Okay, 3x 6x square, we cannot take 3 and 2, we'll take 6 and 1, plus 6x minus x minus 2 common, 3x common and x plus 2 left, and minus 1 common and x plus 2. So you will have 3x minus x plus 2 and 3x minus 1. It's the same thing. Okay, x plus 2 and 3x minus 1. The students has a careless mistake that they just write down equals to 0 by themselves and then write down x is minus 2 and x is minus 1 over 3, which is wrong. You just have to stop here because the question is of factorization. By yourself you cannot write down equals to 0. Please don't do it, because that will be the question, solve the following. Okay, so it's a common mistake. So x plus 2 and 3x minus 1. Okay, now the next question is again factorize completely, and what do? You just see what is common in all always. So that is 4ab common, because 12 and 8 and 12 will come in the times table of 4. They are coming in the times table of 2 also, because but 4 is the higher. If you take 2, then you will have to take the common again, and a square a is common, and b square and b common. So 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 and b left, and you will have 4 times 2 is 8, then 2 and a left. So 4ab, we cannot do more. 4ab times 3b minus 2a. Now the next question is of factorization. 20 times 2 is 40 but minus. So you will take the difference in the middle, alright? So you are looking for what will be the factors, okay? So 2 uh, and we know that it is 5 and 8 times is 40, which will be having a difference of 3 numbers. But students, what do you do if you don't remember? Then 220, no, the difference is not 3. 2 and 10, the difference is not 3. 4 and 10, 40, the difference is 6. And 2 and 5, yes, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 5. 8 minus 5 will be equals to 3, and we get this. So that's why we can take 8 and 5. At every step, just check do you get the factors or not. So 2x square as it is, and then 8 and 5 minus 5x minus 20. Common is 2x, x plus 4, and minus 5 common. 5 4s are 20, and x plus 4. So x plus 4 and 2x minus 5. Remember, don't write equals to 0 and start solving. Please don't do this mistake. X plus 4 and 2x minus 5. Go to the next question. The next question is again factorize the following. 9pq minus 12q square. So 3 and 12, 3 and p and q is common, so 3q common, so left is 3p minus 3 4s are 12, and one of the q is outside, and one of the q we will write down inside, and we cannot further simplify or factorize. Now the next part is factorize completely in 7b part. So 8px plus 4py minus 6x minus 3y. What do? You just take it to the grouping. So in these two, 4p common, and then 2x plus y left, and minus sign as it is take common if it's coming in your way. Then 6x and 3y, you have just 3 common and 2x plus y left. Now we have the same common, 2x plus y and 4p minus 3. Okay, 2x plus y and 4p minus 3. The next question again factorized completely. 4 terms are there. First check in all, is there anything common? No, we don't have anything common in all 4 terms, so we'll do by grouping. So we tried that if it is 2xy minus 3x, then if you take common x, then it is 2y minus 3. And if I'm taking minus 5 common, then it's again 2y minus 3. Then it is in this question we have 2y minus 3 and x minus 5. 2y minus 3 and x minus 5. In few questions sometimes we'll have to rearrange the question also. So if it comes, then I'll tell you. Okay, so 2y minus 3 and x minus 5. The next part, question number 9, factorize the following again. In question number 9, 12x square minus 15x cube. So common in all is 3x square. Okay, now 3 4s are 12 minus 3 5s are 15, and we took x square common, that's why x coming in between. So 3x square and 4 minus 5x. Okay, the next part B, again breaking middle term. 6 1s are 6, so we don't take 6 1s are 6, we take 3 2s are 6. We'll have a difference of one number. Alright, so because the product is negative. Alright, so we take minus 3 and plus 2. X square minus 3x. Why minus 3? Because your x has minus 1, x has negative sign. Plus 2x minus 6. So x common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3. It's very easy topic, x minus 3 and x plus 2. But those students, they don't know or remember. Everyone needs to practice again. Okay, x plus 2. The next thing, question number 10. Factorize the following. In question number 10, they are giving you the question x square plus x minus 12. So we have 4 3s are 12. X square plus, because product is negative, and then you write down 3x minus 12. then x common x plus 4 minus 3 common x plus 4, then x plus 4 and x minus 3 is your answer. X plus 4 and x minus 3. The next part is 25x square minus 4y square. So this is again the question. It's the difference of two perfect square, that is 5x whole square minus 2y whole square. So this is 5x plus 2y and add 5x minus 2y. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So that is 5x plus 2y and 5x minus 2y. The part B is simplification, the fraction. So 3 and 6, 6 is the LCM in this question. So 6p we'll have to make. So obviously the first bracket we'll solve by 2 to make it 6. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 8 upon 6p minus 1 upon 6p. 8 minus 1. Let me check. The sign was plus. Sorry. 8 plus 1, which is equals to 9. So 9 upon 6p. Further simplify 9 and 6 in 3 times table. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s is 6. 3 upon 2p is your answer. Or 1 whole 1 upon 2p can be your answer. Okay. But p is in the denominator, remember. So just write down 3 upon 2p. That's the best thing. Now question number 11, 20p plus 25p square. Again take out common, so that is 5p is common. 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 5 is 25. We cannot do more anything. 5p and 4 plus 5p. Now 9 minus 4t square is there. So difference of two perfect square, 3 square minus 2 t square, that is 3 plus 2t and 3 minus 2t. 3 plus 2t and 3 minus 2t. Okay, the next question is the breaking middle term. So that is 4 times 9 is 36, and we have to take a difference of two numbers multiply, then you will have minus 36, and two difference subtract, you will have 35. So obviously 36 times 1 is 36. Okay. So that is 9 plus 36x minus 4x square. So 9 times 4 is 36. 9 take common, 1 plus that is equals to 9 times 4 is 36, 4x and nothing common. No, this is minus x common. So that is 1 plus 4x. So we'll have 9 minus x and 1 plus 4x in this question. Alright, so that is 9 minus x and 1 plus 4x. Okay, the next part, expand and the brackets and simplify. So here it is 6k minus 2 ones are 2 and then plus, because minus into minus is plus 2k plus 3, and now we'll have to simplify more. 6a plus 2k is this, these two will become 8k, and minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1, because 3 is a greater digit, so 8k plus 1. Now these two brackets we'll have to multiply in part B. 2x and then x plus 4, and minus 3 also multiplying with x plus 4. 2x square, 2 4s are 8x minus 3x minus 12. So we are having 2x square, 8 8 and 3 is 5 plus 5x and then minus 12. So 2x square, write your answer, 2x square plus 5x minus 12. The next part, question number 13, factorize the following. Take out common, that is 4p common, and then we'll have 4 left and plus p. So 4p common and 4 plus p. Okay. Now the next part we are going to take the grouping. So here x, y and plus 2ay. So what is common? A. X, you will have x plus 2a. Y common. Okay. Now you are having plus 3a common. Whenever you take 3 common, then it's again x plus 2a, then y plus x plus 2a and y plus 3a. X plus 2a times y plus 3a is your answer. X plus 2a and y plus 3a. The next part, factorized fully. So what are we going to do? First of all, we'll see common in all. So common in all is 5xy. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, and then x left. 5 times 3 is 15, and then y left, and we cannot do more. So 5xy and 2x plus 3y. They just ask you for factorize fully. So take out common everything if it is in the const number, coefficients, or the variable, anything. Factorize the same question, part B. So you are having 25a square plus minus b square. So that is 5a square, difference of 2 perfect square, minus b square. So that is 5a plus b and 5a minus b. So that is 5a plus b and 5a minus b. Now the next part in this question, we are having 3 upon x plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square is our LCM. Alright, so the second bracket will multiply with x plus 1. So 3 upon x plus 1 whole square minus 2 into x plus 1, and then it will also becoming x plus 1 whole square. Alright, so we are going to just simplify. So that is 3 minus 2 times x plus 1 and upon x plus 1 whole square. So that is becoming 3 minus 2x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. 3 minus 2 will become 1. So that is 1 minus 2x upon x plus 1 whole square. This was 1 mark question. And the previous almost every question was of 1 mark. Okay, this is 2 mark question. So please follow all the steps. The next question is also 2 marks question. So it's a division question. Alright, so we can simplify and do the reciprocate the fraction which is coming after the division sign. Multiply by 5b square c upon 9a. Now we can cancel numerators and denominators, and the remaining number will be our answer. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 3s are 9. Alright, so 3 is left in the denominator, and 5 1s are 5, and 5 2s are 10. So it means in the numerator we don't have any number, so that is 1, and 2 3s is 6. Come to the variables now. Okay, alright, so this a gone and this a, so we just have a left. Okay, in the numerator, this square gone, and then we'll have b also there, and c completely cancelled in this question. Okay, so cancel the c's also. So in part D you have only 1 upon 6 ab, or ab upon 6 also you can write down, ab upon 6. Okay, the next part is expand and simplify also. So this is simply expansion question, t and then t plus 3 and minus 5 and t plus 3, and then you'll have t square plus 3t minus 5t minus 5 3s are 15. So you will have, please don't take common and please don't go back to the question. You remember that you are expanding and simplifying this one. So the answer will become t square, and 3 and minus 5 is minus 2t minus 15. So this is t square minus 2t minus 15. Alright, the next part is 64x square is the square of 8x, and 3y square is the square of 3y. So 8x square minus 3y square. So obviously it is 8x plus 3y and 8x minus 3y. 8x plus 3y and 8x minus 3y. The next part is factorize, part C. Factorize 6ab minus 2a minus 3a square plus 4b. So what do? You just take common. So 2a left, 2a is common. 2 3s is 6, 3b minus 1, and then minus sign as it is. So you will have I think so we'll have to rearrange in this question, because if I'm going to take a common, then it is 3a minus 4b, which we cannot make it. So we are going to rearrange in this question. Okay, so what do? Just rearrange the question 6ab, and then just write down with 4b. Okay, and then you can write down 3a square and then minus 2a. Now just check. So this is 2b common, and then we'll have 3a plus 2 left, and minus sign here, and then only a common. Now we are getting the correct answer, 3a plus 2. So we are having 3a plus 2 and 2b minus a, 3a plus 2 and 2b minus a. Did you see that we were doing by grouping this question, but the brackets were not coming the same, so that's why we rearranged. Sometimes it happens also. Okay, now part D. In part D of the same question, we are having like x square minus 6x plus 3, and write down in this form. It means, remember, completing square method. I have one video of completing square method also, you can check it. So this is, what do? You take the coefficient of x, which is minus 6, do the half of it, which is equals to minus 3, add and subtract minus 3 square. Okay, x square minus 6x plus minus 3 square, and if you are adding, then you will have to subtract also minus 3 square and plus 3, as it is given in the question. Okay, and now what do? Up till here it is x minus 3 whole square, and now it is minus 9 and plus 3 left. Okay, so x minus 3 whole square minus 6 is your answer. So this is x minus 3 whole square minus 6. Remember, in completing square method, we see the x coefficient and then half of it and square that number, and then add and subtract, and you will get the square number. Okay, now this is solution of equation. Leave your answer in b plus minus square root q. So you know that we have already got that this is x minus 3 whole square minus 6. X minus 3 whole square minus 6 equals to 0. X minus 3 whole square is equals to 6. X minus 3 is equals to plus minus square root of 6. I took the square root to both the sides. And x is equals to plus minus square root of 6 plus 3. So you can write down like this. If in this form, then you can do 3 plus minus square root of 6. So this is the answer, 3 plus minus square root of 6. Come to the next question, question number 16. Almost the questions are the same. So in question number 16, 25t square minus 4, this is 5t plus 2, 5t minus 2. I've done so many questions, so that's why I'm doing it directly, and it is also 1 mark question, so it's enough. 5t minus 2. And now the next one, factorize this one. So taking out common, so 2r square is common, and then when you check, this is 3h left, and then minus h only. So 2r square and 3 capital H minus small h. Okay, factorize completely the next part of this question. So we'll do the grouping. So in these two, 4x common and 2y plus 1 is left, and minus 3 common and 2y plus 1. So we have 2y plus 1 and 4x minus 3. So this is 2y plus 1 and 4x minus 3. Alright, so question number 17th question. This is a sort of indices question. 17th question, 2 times 5 to the power p is 250. 2 is multiplying, divide 250 divide by 5. Then 5 times 5 is 25. And then, we have to divide by 2. To divide by 2, the half of it, 5 to the power p is 125. Okay, 5, which 5 to the power p is what number? 5 to the power what is 125? Which is 3. So p will be equals to 3 in this question. The next part, simplify 1 divided by x to the power minus 5. So this is 1 divided by x to the power minus 5. And because it's a minus sign there, so you can write down as a numerator. So x to the power 5 is the answer, because we made the negative power to positive. Now this simplification question, this is 3a divided by 4, division to multiplication, 8 upon 9a square. Cancel and find your answer. So 4 times 2 and 3 times 1 and 3 3s are 9. So only 2 upon 3 left. Let's check a. So a is coming in the denominator. So 2 upon 3a is your answer. Alright, so the next question is, expand and simplify. 4 times 2 is 8, 8t, and 4 3s are 12 plus 5. Now we have to simplify it. So 8t, 12 and 5 is 17. 8t plus 17 is your answer, which is 8t plus 17. Now the next part is 6p plus 3q minus 2 times. So expand 6p plus 3q and minus 4p plus 2 5s are 10q. What do? You just simplify it. Don't take out common and don't go to factorization. So just take out the common thing. So, and plus and minus do it and simplify. 6p minus 4p will be equals to 2p, and 3q plus 10q, whenever you just do it, so that will become 13q. So this is 2p plus 13q. Okay, so I'm skipping few questions now. I've done lots of questions, same now coming up, so just skipping some questions and then moving forward. Let's complete one more part B of this one. So this is 25x cube y square minus 15x square y. Factorize. So obviously 25 and 15, 5 is common. X cube and x square is common, and y square and y, so y is common. So the remaining will be 5xy minus 3, because 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, 5xy minus 3. When you expand it, you must have the same question. Skipping questions now. Alright, do one more part. This is solve 10 upon x equals to x plus 3. So this type of solution of equation, 10 is equals to x square plus 3x. Rearrange the question and then solve it. So what do? You will have x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Breaking middle term, 5 times 2 is 10, x square, because the product is negative, plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. So x common, x plus 5, minus 2 common, x plus 5. So you will have equals to 0. So x plus 5 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So if x plus 5 is 0, then x is minus 5, and if x minus 2 is 0, then x equals to positive 2. Minus 5 and positive 2 is the answer for this question. Alright, so look at the question number 22 there. In question number 22, it's a slightly different questions, that's why I picked it. So this is 1 upon x. 2 has denominator 1. So you'll have to take LCM and then you just write down all of the numbers together. Okay, so the LCM will be x times x plus 1. So 1 upon x into x plus 1. So you multiply also with x plus 1. Okay, plus 2x into x plus 1. So that is also becoming x into x plus 1. In the numerator denominator, you multiply the same. 3 into x, and it doesn't have x, so x into x plus 1. What did I do? I multiplied this one, this fraction, numerator denominator, by x plus 1, because it has x already. This with the whole x into x plus 1, and this one will also with only x, because x plus 1 was already there. So now what do? You just combine all of them, x plus 1, and then you have 2x square, and you have 2x, and you have minus 3x, and denominator the whole x into x plus 1. Okay, alright, now simplify. 2x square is there, 2x square, and 2x and x, these all will become, this one and this one will become 3x. Alright, so right now what are we going to do? We are just adding together, plus 3x, and this one minus 3x, and then only one left, upon x into x plus 1. So you have, this is 2x square only plus 1 upon x into x plus 1. This is the answer for this question. Okay, skipping more, we are doing question number 25. In question number 25, the first one is easy, which is 10 minus 3 into 3x minus 2. So that is 10 minus 9x plus 3 2s is 6. Okay. All right. So I'll share the whole worksheet and then you do the rest of it. So this is whenever we are going to expand, it is this much. So 9 minus 9x and plus 6 and plus 10, that will become 16 minus 9x. 16 minus 9x. So I shared this question because of this part B, which is of 3 marks. So numerator, denominator. First, what do? You factorize this. So 3 times 5 is 15. And we'll take 15 times 1 is 15 because we'll have to take the sum. Okay. So 3x square and 15x plus x plus, you can do separately numerator denominator and then do it later, it's up to you. So this will become 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1, difference of 2 perfect square. Numerator again, 3x common, x plus 5 plus 1 common, x plus 5. Okay, and then you can write 3x plus 1. Don't cancel at this step, which is wrong. When you factorize completely, then cancel it. 3x plus 1 and x plus 5. And then 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. Now you can cancel 3x plus 1 and the remaining will become x plus 5 upon 3x minus 1. Okay. So this was your question number 20. Look at this question number 28. In this question, I'm simplifying both of them separately. This is 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. The next is we are doing 2x square minus 9x minus 5. And 5 times 2 is 10 with the like the difference of 9. 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 ones are 10. Okay. 2x square minus 10x plus x minus 5. So 2x common and then x minus 5 plus 1 common, x minus 5. And then you have 2x plus 1 and x minus 5. So this one we are writing down in the numerator and this one in the denominator. You can do like this also. So equals to 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 and x minus 5, which is this one. Cancel, and then in the answer you will have 2x minus 1 and x minus 5 is the answer for this question. Skipping more. Alright, so question number 30. When you check question number 30, they are asking you to substitute. So substitution of the numbers 2a minus b, 2 times 3 minus minus 7, 6 plus 7. Okay, I just kept in place of a is 3 and in place of b is minus 7. So that is equals to 13. The next one is a square plus b square. So 3 square plus minus 7 square. So 9 plus minus 7 square is also plus 49, which is equals to 58. Okay, the next part, rearrange the formula to make r the subject. Remember, we are making r subject. 2r square plus 5 is equals to a. I write like this because I wrote this one here because the left side I want to keep r. So 2r square is equals to a minus 5. R square is a minus 5 upon 2. Alright. And then whenever square root, we put square root and remove the square sign. We just write down plus minus, remember. So this is r is equals to plus minus square root of a minus 5 upon 2. Plus minus a minus 5 upon 2. Alright, so just move to some other question. Alright, taking question number 32 part B. In 32 part B, it's like 2 cube. You are just expanding. It means the power inside and outside will multiply. 2 cube x6 y cube. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Now 6x power 4 y 4. Alright. So this is 2 cube is 8x power 6 y cube upon 6x power 4 y 4. Now you are cancelling it. So taking the 2 times table, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, and x 6 and x 4 in the division we subtract the power. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and 4 is in the denominator, so I'm writing down y in the new denominator because 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4x square upon 3y. Alright, now x square minus 7x plus 5. Again, you can see that it's a hint that you have to use the completing square method. So the coefficient of x is minus 7. Half of it is minus 7 upon 2. Add and subtract the square of it. Okay, x square minus 7x plus minus 7 upon 2 square minus 7 upon 2 whole square and plus 5 as it is. So this much will become x minus 7 upon 2 whole square. 2 times AB you know in the middle. And now which is 49 upon 4 plus 5. Okay, so now what do? You'll have to take LCM to this side. Okay, so this is x minus 7 upon 2 whole square minus 49 upon 4, and you have to multiply with 4 to both of them. Then it is plus 25 upon 4, plus 25 upon 4. So we'll have to see the 5 times 4 is, sorry, not 25, it's 20. It's okay. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 and 49, the difference is of 29, but 49 is a greater digit, so that's why we are writing down minus 29 upon 4. This is the answer for this question. X minus 7 upon 2 whole square minus 29 upon 4 is in this form, x minus a whole square minus b. Hence write down the minimum number. So remember, this also I've explained in the completing square method method video. Lots of questions like this. So this is the minimum point. Minimum point, what is the minimum point? Just change the sign of it, and then this is the same. Okay, so the coordinate of the minimum point is 7 upon 2 and minus 29 upon 4, but they are saying minimum value of what? This is y. So the y value is minus 29 upon 4, the minimum value whenever you make the graph of it. So for example, the minimum value is minus 29 upon 4. This thing you will write down. Okay, let's see more. Alright, so keep practicing. The more you solve, the more confident and you will get the right answer. And keep practicing. Keep practicing to improve your algebra skills, especially expansion factorizations and equations. Don't forget to review your mistakes and try the questions again. And in the next video, we'll focus on solution of linear equations and simultaneous equations step by step with the past paper questions. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't miss it. Alright, see you in the next class. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.